Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So as you probably already noticed, I am starting on a blue canvas today, a painted blue canvas. I'm going to try my hand at a feather painting, and I'm going to use feathers to paint it. I have a handful. Well, first I'm using these craft feathers. I have a handful in which I have cut off the tip to make a broader contact, and of course just the regular ones. Aside from the blue background, I will be using three colors: turquoise, purple, and a darker green, almost this is a darker green, I guess. So I'm going to start with the turquoise. Let's see, just use a little bit, or certainly try. Got a little drop there. I'll fix that now. The paint is still wet. Not that it matters that much, I suppose. Alright, and next we'll use the darker green. I don't want to use a great deal. Oops. Just putting a bit on each side. Or just drop it in the middle. But I'll tidy that up once we're done here. Switch over to the purple. Didn't get much of time. It certainly doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so I'm just going to move these colors out of the way, and that should hopefully be enough. And what I'm going to do is just doing a swipe, and as I said, I'll be using feathers to make the feather. So we'll see how that goes. A little too heavy there. Feather, that's why I've got a handful of them. side. Actually, I'll tidy this side up a little bit first. Okay, now look at the other side. I think I need a little more turquoise in the mix here. Oh, as well, I should mention, I don't think I did, I'm not using any additives to the paint other than a little bit of glue and water. I've added a little bit of glue and water to all of the paint. Otherwise, no other sort of additives. Because I'm not looking for, any sort of cell formation. If it happens, it happens. That's fine. I'm not going to be upset if it happens, of course, but that isn't the focus. All right. Let's see here. Just going to use a regular pointed feather and just add a little bit. A little more turquoise. Oh, not quite yet. Okay, tiny bit more of the darker green. I think that's almost done. Okay, I need a tiny bit more purple near the top. just to continue along and define that, whatever that middle part of the feather would be called, I don't really know. There. We'll just blend that in a tiny bit. Okay, let's see here. All right. That, oh, hold on a second. Just noticed that little blob of pink there. Let's tidy that up. I don't know from what bird this feather would be. I was more interested in the shape necessarily than any sort of realistic sort of colors. And I feel like I've achieved that. All right, so because I didn't add anything to it, any crazy additives to make any sort of cell formation or anything of that nature, I don't have to let it sit, so that's going to do it for me. I'm going to get a bit of a close-up on that. I rather like how that turned out. Let me see if I can get a close-up on that. I apologize if the camera shakes a bit. All right. All right, well, I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see all you wonderful people next time.